Greetings, I'm Rick Ward. I'm an investor, an entrepreneur, and a wealth architect with Working Class Wealth Creations. I've put together this little mini-series. It's made up of excerpts from my upcoming book, My Road to Wealth. Each little episode will give some handy hints for you as a beginner, as an investor, to help you along with your journey as a first-generation wealth creator. So let's have a look at some of these beginner tips for investors right now. Okay, so I've been investing for a little while. I've got about 4 deals under my belt. I'm starting to get a feel of how this all works. My research so far, I've borrowed some books from my brother-in-law about investing and about property, and I've read those. I don't have really any money, and so this was the cheapest way to do it. I borrowed some books from people who had that already in their library. Flea markets, I love flea markets, and that's where I'd go get property investor magazines for 50 cents, investment books for $1, $2. It's a really low cost way of getting some information and research. Nowadays, again, YouTube, everything's all over YouTube. You can get all the lessons you'd ever need. But that was another way how I did it, was spending a few dollars a week, and I could get a lot of information. And talking to people who's investing already, you'll find out when you do that everyone has a slightly different investment style. I find most people are novice. Even if they buy one here or there, they're not very consistent. They don't really have a plan. If it's a remote one, like the Port Hedland one, which was several days drive away, I couldn't be back and forth. So those would be cosmetic renovations. Just paint carpets. I could get trades to do maintenance things if I wasn't there. Very simple, sort of flips over 3 to 4 week period, and they're ready to rent or resell. When I invested in an area that was 2 hours away, that wasn't so bad. I could pull my trailer down there, go down on the weekends. That could be more substantial, whether I was going to be adding a room, a carport, doing some major reconstruction. I could take those sort of projects on. And even though I haven't did one here in my local town, I've assisted my son in doing one, because now you can just zip in, after work for a couple hours here or there. You could really take on much bigger scope projects. So that was sort of a criteria I have, but each one of those, again, were broken down into other steps I had my trades of what I do. I tend to do the demolition and cleanup, where I can really see the bones and the issues behind that. And then I look at what jobs that I can do myself, which ones I want to do myself, and which ones are best left for the experts. Well, I hope you found those tips helpful. And if you did, give me a thumbs up. This comes from an excerpt of my video book, My Road to Wealth, so look out for that. This is the kind of content that you're interested in how to create, manage, and retain your first generation wealth. I encourage you to subscribe to this channel, and you can contact me directly on my email, workingclasswealthcreations@gmail.com, or you can follow me on my social media, Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, LinkedIn. So until next time, this is Rick Ward, helping you on your road to financial independence.